So day 2 on our cruise, official second day of sailing, and I didn't really get to video record yesterday because I was unfortunately seasick, which I've never been before, so that was weird. Today I took some Dramamine and hopefully, you know, I don't know, it's never happened to me before, and this is not the first cruise I've been on. So I'll give you guys a tour of the room. This is our window to look out. Don't mind the mess because we literally, I should have showed you before, but there is a little couch area, a little vanity area with a mirror. This is the bed, just Johnny laying on the bed, a TV, the doorway to come in, and the bathroom with a stand-up shower. And there's a lot of closet space actually in here, so we were able to hang up a lot of our clothes.
You could sit down in that shower if you really wanted to.
You could sit down in the shower?
Yeah.
No.
You could sit down. I mean, if you really wanted to sit down, you could sit down in it.
I don't know if you could.
So technically, it's not a stand-up shower.
It is a stand-up shower. You're being a turd. It's not the best weather today, so I think we're going to hit up the indoor pool that they have. So we'll check back in a little bit later. Finally, it's gorgeous outside. Blue sky, sunshine. It's like 80 degrees. We hung out at the pool all day. That's really bright. It's beautiful out. We hung out at the pool all day. I didn't bring my camera down there because
It's not waterproof.
It's not waterproof, and I just wanted a nice, relaxing pool day. There was a belly flop competition, which was really fun. Last night we went to the casino. Johnny won $4,000. And we saw a comedian last night too. That was really funny. So, and last night was captain's night, so we all got dressed up, and the guys wore suits, and we wore pretty dresses, and I'll show you guys the next captain night, but I just wanted to, like, enjoy the captain night last night, so I didn't bring my camera, just because, like, I wanted us to be able to enjoy it. So the second one, I'll bring my camera, too. But so far, so good. We're having a really great time. What do you think of your first cruise? Johnny?
What? Oh, you're doing that thing? Oh, it's fantastic. I love it.
You're such a turd. And we just arrived to Puerto Rico. Waiting for everyone to come and meet us because we're going to go explore the island. I got a little bit of sunburnt today. Not even mad about it. So let's go explore. Oh shoot, I don't think I was recording. It's hot out.
Unless you go that way, we won't know.
Oh, we're cleaning the boat.
$20 to run through the birds. Run through the chicken.
I don't want to get. Are those chickens? No. You never seen the video? No. There's a kid and he's looking at the ducks and he's going, look at all the.
Just want to let you guys know I caught all that on camera.
What'd you say, Dad?
Always forget
Rode
something.
400,000 miles just to get deodorant and some wipes.
We didn't go 400,000 miles.
Some ass pads.
Ass pads. Face pads.
Tucks. Get some tucks.
Can't bring some back on the boat.
Let's go east in P5. Less than the same one. Good care.
Alyssa, you really shouldn't eat them until you find them.
Give the girls a number out and they put shots in your mouth. Shake your head. Put their head in your
Wait!
Everybody say hi.
Dad! Dad!
Say hi to your future grandchildren.
Oh, you look good!
Giant thing. Dan, tell the kids where we are.
Good morning. We are in St. Thomas.
St. Thomas?
I mean St. John's, aka Antigua. And we're going to the beach. Hi.
That's me, Ma. That's Grandpa Linda, sir.
Good morning from a sunny St. Kitts and Neves Island. Guess what's parked right outside of our window? Of course, that would be on our trip. So, yesterday, we got off the boat and we started filming in Antigua, and we stopped pretty early because it was probably one of the worst islands I have ever been on. We booked an excursion to take us to a beach, We paid $120 for the both of us to be driven to a beach that was full of horse poop. There was stray dogs everywhere. A woman was washing her dishes on, like, using the sand and the ocean water to wash her dishes. So, I was kind of grossed out by that. And then we ordered lunch, and it was awful. I don't know. I don't think I'd ever go back to Antigua. So far, the best beach day has been in St. Thomas. We still have one more island to go to tomorrow, St.Marteen, but today in, where are we again? St. Kitts. We are swimming with dolphins. So, I don't know if they're gonna let me bring my camera. I'm gonna try. Yeah, I just woke up. I'm looking pretty tan though, I think. Johnny's still sleeping. I'm gonna get him up so we can get some breakfast. I want to see this island. I feel like Disney wouldn't come here if it wasn't a good island. So, see you guys later. Bye.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
Dan, do your dance. You look so short.
I am short. Oh, this might be the girls.
Dan, why'd you have to wear that cover up?
Because mine got swept away into the ocean yesterday. And it's covered in sand. Oh, I want to be on that boat.
Probably like family rooms, right? They go straight down at the front.
I wish I was on this boat right now. The Disney magic. I can smell the Mickey waffles from here.
What's up? How are we?
I'm great.
How's your vacation going so far?
Just real burnt.
Got coffee. Sugar.
This coffee is extremely hot.
Oh yeah, George Bush died. Hey, how you doing?
Try to get robbed.
I would have showed you the food before we ate it, but unfortunately it's so good. Oh wait, hold on. Johnny didn't eat his. Open it up. Island chicken. Delicious. Take a bite. Take a bite. Good, right? And these speak for themselves because we ate all the meat off of them. Hello. So today we went to St. Kitts, and let me tell you something. This was by far my favorite island that I have ever been on. Johnny's too. He said the same thing. It was by far our favorite island that we have ever been on. It was beautiful. The people were amazing. The food was delicious. Our excursion was amazing. So we went to a place called Dolphin Discovery, and what's cool about it is that the enclosures are actually connected to the ocean, so the dolphins are in their natural habitat. It's not like they're in like these big pools or anything like that. They're in their natural habitat. And they put us into groups, and each group got to like have their own time with a couple different dolphins. It was amazing. We got to kiss the dolphin, dance with the dolphin like touched our hand. We got to hold the dolphin like a baby. I'm gonna put all these pictures into the video right about now. And it was just by far one of the greatest experiences of our lives. We definitely want to go back to St. Kitts. Tomorrow is Buccaneer Beach in St. Martin, and then we make our way back home to Jersey. It's been a really fun trip so far. So in the beginning of the video I said I was gonna take you guys to the captain's night with us, but what ended up happening was Royal Caribbean was offering 50% off of their specialty dining restaurants. So basically when you come on a cruise, you have your main dining room, which is included in the price of your cruise, and then they also have specialty dining restaurants that you can make reservations for, which is like an extra expense. We didn't want to do that because we already paid for the food on the boat, so why spend extra money? But then when we found out that they were offering the 50% off, we jumped on it really quick. So last night we ate at a place called Chops. It was a steakhouse, and they had an appetizer, a main course, and dessert all included for $30 a person. Everybody got multiple orders of shrimp cocktail. I got, for my appetizer, mussels, clams, shrimp cocktail, and an entire lobster that I split with Johnny. All included for $30. Then we all got filet mignon with their sides are like shareable sides, but they brought us out multiple of each. They brought us one or two or three of each side to share with each other, and the food was amazing.
Okay, everyone get your cameras ready. On the coast side of the coach, you'll see the divvy little bay.
I'm not sure what happened, but that video kind of ended abruptly. The rest of our cruise was amazing, and I will post a cruise recap video for you guys soon. Thanks.